Hello guys, welcome again to this channel. Today I want to show you a very interesting feature of FireGUI called events and triggers. Let's start then from a classic use case. Suppose you want our system to automatically notify our users about their events. So, when I choose John Doe here, for example, he will receive an email with this new appointment, okay? Now, go back to the builder and create a new email template from here. Choose an email key, must be unique, obviously. New event would be okay. If you want, you can specify extra headers from here. For example, I want my mail to be sent from demo@firegui.com. Then, type the email subject, so new event. And we can also use placeholders. For example, event title here. So now, let's type our email message here. Hi, username. You have a new appointment on event date start here. And event title here. Perfect. Then add the event description and save. Now that we have our new email template here, we can click on the Events and Triggers section and proceed with the next step. Let me first explain a little bit about how this works. We have three kinds of events in the left side: database triggers, front-end hooks, and cron jobs. Database triggers are called every time our database runs any kind of query such as insert a new record, update, delete, or select. So in this case, I'm going to use the after insert trigger. So I can drag it here in my applet and choose my events entity. What about the right side? These are our actions available. So for this tutorial, I want to use HTML PHP Code action. So drag here. Type a title here, and we're now ready to write our custom code. Prepare our code to send email with this mail model send function to our user. Then our new event template, language, English, and our data. Okay. Now let's get the user email. So user email is this, appylib view users and data events user and users email. Okay, if you're not familiar with this syntax, let me change this code a little. So, user data here and user email as so. Okay, more clear, let me also pass through the send function all the user data with array merge. Perfect. Now save. This is our new trigger. Let's check if it works correctly. Go back into our client and create a new event called Meeting with Dave. User John. Start date here. Date end here. Type and a description here. Place it in our map and save. Now, if everything is right, I'm going to receive an email soon. Wait. Yes, there it is. This is our new event with all data here. Perfect. Now, let me show you how front-end hooks work. Suppose you want to add a button here, so when I click on it, this map will be hidden. Okay, so this is not really useful. Take it as an example of what we can do with these hooks, right? Go back to our events and trigger, click on hook, and drag layouts and HTML PHP code here. Choose after layout and our event detail layout here. Give a title as before, then let's proceed with our HTML code. New button here, ID show hide, then I'm going to use jQuery library capture click event. So show hide on click function map dot toggle. And that's it. Save. Okay, go and see what happens. Refresh this page, and there it is. And if I click on it, the map will be hidden. If I click again, the map will be shown. Perfect. Okay, now, same as before, I want to drag a new cron here so that every day my events manager will notify me by email about tomorrow's events. So, let me write some PHP code. Today equals date YMD. Tomorrow equals date YMD. Stir to time today plus 1 days. Tomorrow events equals this appylib search events events date start tomorrow. Let's add cast as date. For each tomorrow events as event. This mail model send events users email daily event en event. Now, as we've done before, I create a new email template called daily event from demo@firegui.com. Subject, tomorrow event, events title, and description here. Okay, save. I don't want to spend time waiting for the cron job to execute my code, so I force the execution by clicking the 3 dots here and then run now. Okay, no errors. So, if everything is right, I will receive another email now with my tomorrow event. Good. Here it is with the event title, Meeting with Dave. And the description, perfect. Hope you find this tutorial useful and thank you for watching this video. In the next tutorial, I will show you how to search and install or modify external modules. And as always, click on the subscribe button and the bell below. And feel free to ask any questions in the comments if you need help. All links are in the description below. See you in the next tutorial. Goodbye.